death in molten lava are also an option.
Are you threatening me?
I suppose you could put it like that.
It's nothing personal, you understand?
We could make it very personal.
By removing very personal sections of your anatomy.
Assuming we could find them, of course.
So I suggest you disappear fairly smartish.
Before something untoward happens.
I've just remembered I'm here on important business.
Are you the decorator?
Yes.
Where's your sample catalog?
The boss said you bring a catalog of sample witches.
I've got it right here.
I suppose you can go in then.
You'll find the boss upstairs in his lab. Don't go wandering around anywhere else, okay?
Okay.
How far do you reckon he'll get?
About 20 yards.
Do you reckon the boss will let us keep his kneecaps?
Everyone's a critic.
Please don't eat me, Mr. Beast. I've got a wife and 5 kids. I'd be really bad for you. I have a high cholesterol content. I want to live. Please!
Give it a rest, will you?
You mean you're not going to eat me?
Maybe.
Oh!
Us unspeakable horrors are like taxmen. Everyone hates us, but we're just doing our job. My